Vacation started yesterday. I went on a flight the next day. Call an Uber to my apartment. Wait, what? Okay, well, you know, hops on a flight the day after the vacation started. Me, so where we going? You already know. We'll talk more about it later, but I'm in the airport. My flight boards in a couple minutes. Made it on time, and I'm getting my coffee fix, and I already ate, and I also got a salad. I'll eat that around lunchtime, but we're gonna be traveling all day, so you know how this goes. I didn't even get to do my hair, y'all, but just know, vacation started yesterday. I went on a flight the next day because your girl True is on time. Made it on a plane, flight is on time. I have a connecting flight in Miami, and then my flight leaves around 6, so I should get to my final destination around maybe 8, 9. I already contacted my best friend's husband because I'm surprising her as well. She just had her baby. I made it to the baby shower, and now I'm just gonna go and, you know, just be there for her. She's a new mom. I don't know much about being a mom, but I know how to be there for my friend. I'm excited, I'm happy. We have made it to Atlanta. So I'm gonna get my bags and call an Uber to my apartment. I'll show you guys where I'm staying. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get out of here. Flight wasn't too bad. It's so crazy how being away from home makes me so happy. To be honest, I need a break, y'all. I really need a break. I just need some alone time, some quiet time. I need to quiet the voices in my head and quiet the voices around me. Okay, I gotta keep going. So I'm just walking to the area that you can be picked up by a Lyft or Uber. Seems like a pretty long walk. The flight was pretty smooth. Well, everything was pretty smooth, from the boat rides to the flight. Had no issues. There was something that happened on the first flight that would have kind of annoyed me, but it didn't because my emotional intelligence and empathy has gotten so much better. All right, so see, ride share in the Uber. My man, Hartsfield Jackson Airport. Yeah, I got an Uber area so far. I feel like I've been walking. I mean, I don't mind walking, but go, maybe go. Go. I made it to where I'm staying, and looking for my room number 27. Wait, what? Is that I'm jet lagged or I'm just slow? That's 9:25, 9:30. Oh, my room is down this way. Ooh, okay. I can't get the door opened. I'm gonna try this one last time. Okay, it's not opening. Do I have to knock on somebody's door to ask them how to open this door? Is the instructions in the email? I'm inside. I had to ask some girls to help me open the door, and they showed me how to open and close the door. They didn't give that instruction by the front desk. He seemed like he was a little tired though. It's late, so I understand. Tired probably isn't the word, but it's okay. Because when I came and I told him my name, he was like, I don't know, I guess he didn't believe that I would have been staying here by myself. He gave me this look. It may be all in my head. I may be assuming right now. And then he asked to see my ID. And then while looking at my ID, he stood and watched it for a while. Anyway, I made it in, made it safely. I found this place on booking.com. Okay, it's okay. It gave more luxurious online, but we can rock with it. This is where I'll be staying for about 7 nights or 8 nights. Let's do a quick little tour. The kitchen. The living area. Where's the light for it? Oh, the light is on the other side. I'll turn it on in a bit. Let's see what the bedroom is giving. The bathroom is a decent size though. Okay, I can rock with it. Yes, please, because I didn't bring any. Hi, we made it. I'm tired, but I need to update everyone and let them know that I got in safely and my address and everything. Excuse me. We got a nice, huge mirror right here. You guys won't believe what happened though. I'm international, right? I'm not an American citizen, so I wouldn't have access to Wi-Fi, data, none of that. So I won't be able to use my phone or Wi-Fi. So I have to rely on the airport's Wi-Fi to get an Uber. And you guys know how I ended up getting an Uber account. Catch up with the vlogs, babes. I can't be saying the same thing over and over in these vlogs. Y'all need to catch up. So the thing is, the rideshare area where your Uber picks you up, they don't have any Wi-Fi out there. So I had to go back to the airport, walk back. You guys saw how I was dying from that little walk. And then rush back to the pickup area to make sure I caught my Uber. He wasn't an English speaking native, so the language barrier was kind of off because he wasn't able to help me at all, so I had to figure it out. So I got dropped off and outside didn't look like how I expected it to look because I guess they're working on construction. Went to the front desk and I was having issues from the jump opening the doors. You have to use your key to get into the building and to use the elevator. Safety, love that. Anyway, let me connect to this Wi-Fi. I know I saw the Wi-Fi information somewhere. Why do I still have this bag on my back? I'm happy I made it safely. I can't wait to surprise my best friend. So as I was telling you, when I was at Atlanta the last time to the baby shower, she got the baby. She had a safe delivery. I'm trying to sign on to the Wi-Fi. Give me a second. I'm gonna just copy and paste because... Okay. We're jamming. Hey, connected to the Wi-Fi now. We're jamming.